Now, here's one of the last ones I want to leave you with you. It is called, there's Nebraska Man. Here's this creature running through the woods. This came out in the year 1922. Now, this guy's lost most of his body hair, standing upright. He's working with the club, and look, I don't know if he needs a haircut or not. Possibly, all right? You look over next to him, and, well, is that his wife or his neighbor? Can't really tell. You look in the background, and what else do you see? You see horses, and you see camels, right? Like I say, this came out in 1922 from the Illustrated London News. We take a good look at that picture. What do we notice, guys? What is it? It's artwork, that's right. Everybody say it again. What is it? It's artwork. And then what's that special question you ask? What's the evidence? That's right. Well, here was the evidence. What they'd found is a tooth, one tooth. They found one tooth up in the state of Nebraska. That's why they named him Nebraska Man, from one tooth. Right? Look at all that again. How did they get that? Not only did they get the creature, his friend or his mate, they got what? Camels and horses too, from one tooth. Is that enough information, guys? No, you cannot take that small information and stretch it that far. You know, it's kind of a funny story, though. Sad in a way, because a lot of kids today are being taught that they come from monkey-type creatures because of evidence like this. And it's kind of funny, too, though, because in 1927, they went back to the same area where they had found that one single tooth, and some erosion had taken place, and they noticed another tooth sticking out. They dug a little deeper, and they found the jaw with teeth. Dug a little deeper, and they found a complete skull. You know what they'd really found? Not the tooth of Nebraska Man. They'd found the tooth of Nebraska pig, the original corn husk, all right? It was a pig's tooth.